So my lovely student, let's have the last part, which is part 8 of chapter 8, class 8, subject maths, right? So here we will talk about the GST, that is goods and service tax, and the VAT, that is value added tax examples, right? So whenever any tax is there, you have to add it, or if it is already added, how will you find the original price? So first of all, purchase price is given 2832 rupees, including 18% of GST. Find the price before GST. So suppose this price is already including 18% of GST. So normal price is suppose 100%. In that you have added 18% of GST, that is 118% is actually rupees 2832. So what is 100%, right? So what I'll do is 118% is 2832 rupees. So what will be the original price? That is 100%. So that is 100 into 2832 upon 118. Right? What I'll do, I'll try to half it. So half I'll divide 5, 9, and if I'll half this 1, 4, 1, 6, right? Now 5 plus 59 and 141. Is it possible to divide? Let's check it. I'll just simply check it. Okay. 2s are 59, 2s are is 118. Let's check 59 4s are. You have to try an error. Yes, it is 236. So 59 ones, and here it is 24, right? 24 into 100. So the article price is 2400 rupees originally. But because the 18% of GST was added to this, the price has become 2832. So original price. So price before GST was 2400 rupees. So similarly, you can find the examples like this. I have one more example added here, that is of VAT, value added tax. You might have seen the bills these days. The GST is included, VAT is included, service tax is included, right? So VAT is 5%. What will be the cost? Purchase price is 600, right? Okay, now and the 5% VAT is already there in this. So what will be the actual cost price, right? So this price is including your tax. So again, that is 100 plus 5, that is 105% is equals to 600 rupees. Correct? Right? Correct? So percentage and price. So after adding 5%, you are paying 600. Value added tax add करने के बाद you are paying 600. So what is the price before adding VAT? So 105% is 600. What is 100%? Cross multiplication, that is 100 into 600 upon 105, right? So what I'll do is here, I'll try to divide 20 5s are 21 5s are 105, right? And I'll try to divide with 3 because 3 7s are, and this is 3 2s are, right? So I cannot further divide. I can see 2 2s are 4000 upon 7. So not perfectly divisible. Fine. Let's get the answer till 1 decimal, right? 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. 3. 1 half 1 point, that is 30. 4s are 28. Again 2 and 0. So 2s are, yes. So I am getting 571.42. That is approximately 571 rupees was the actual cost price, but I added 5% of VAT, and then my selling price or the purchase price of the customer become 600 rupees. So these are the examples based on the goods and service tax and the value added tax. So please solve all the examples in your notebooks and then write the textual exercise in the sequence from the provided PDF. I hope you have enjoyed, learnt. Please revise this again and again. It is not a one day's task. You have to practice this every day and complete your classwork. This is a very important chapter as point of view, as per the exam point of view and the coming years. I hope you will do this as directed in your notebook. See you with the next videos very soon. Bye bye. Take care.